Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What a high volatile market. And yesterday, everybody was bearish and everyone left, right, and center. They sold call option. But there was a huge buying by domestic institutions yesterday afternoon, wiped out all the call sellers. And Nifty closed somewhere near 16,500, which nobody expected. In fact, entire global markets were either flat or slightly negative, and there was no reason for us to shoot up like that. But then what happened today is just exactly opposite. And SGX Nifty today morning, it showed a low of 16,203, but during the trading, though we open around 16,300 in the morning first few minutes, even it traded above 16,300, but later a continuous selling pressure and brought the market at some point of time late afternoon, even the 16,200 was broken, and financials were sold off like anything. Kotak Bank, HDFC, don't know why it is falling 4% today, and Kotak Bank also more than 3%, Reliance more than 3%. It was a huge selling. Even IT index also fell, but at least there was some intraday recovery, a little bit at least, in both TCS and Infosys, but there was no recovery at all in HDFC and Kotak Bank. And today, nearly 180 point fall has come only from the top 7 stocks, those heretic stocks, 7 stocks: HDFC Bank, HDFC, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, TCS, Infosys, and Reliance. And the broader market was actually not really that bad, but these index heavyweights, there was a huge selling, and Bank Nifty underperformed today. And I told you this is going to happen. What happened yesterday, it was just a short covering, but I did not expect Nifty to fall or to break 16,200. I thought it would stabilize somewhere around 16,300. This market, making very, very difficult for traders to trade. One day it closes on the high. We expect market to move higher or flat, but the next day huge gap down. And today, everybody was afraid of selling call option, and that is because today it may be closing about 300 point lower, but who knows, tomorrow it may gap up. But at 6 p.m. the US inflation data came. The US inflation data is really very, very bad, and people expected 8.3%, but it has come 8.6%. If I'm not wrong, and this is the multi-decade high. I think the last time highest I remember it was 8.4% only, and now it is 8.6. Just imagine 8.6% inflation in a developed economy like US. I was a bull actually. I was hoping that some good thing to happen, but even I became bearish, mainly by looking at the crude oil prices. And crude oil, I think I remember last time traded above $120, and that is when the Lehman Brothers collapse came. And after that, now only it is trading above $120. I think now Brent crude is trading around $124. This crude oil, high crude oil prices is going to be a big problem for many, many countries. So coming back to our markets, so our markets are looking really very bearish, and that too one day up, next day down. And after the US inflation data, Dow future is down by another 1%. But of course, this is only a trailer. The main picture will start at 7 a.m. and the climax will come around 12:30, the last 1 hour. So who knows? Since people have already expected a bad inflation, people have already shorted yesterday. Who knows? These people might cover their shorts also. So we do not know. So we have to wait for the last 1 hour. And FII, once again, they've sold nearly for 4,000 crores. Then there's no point in talking about FII selling. So they are going to continue to sell our market. And mainly because our market is actually richly valued. Indian stock markets always command a premium over other emerging markets. That is due to high growth prospects in India. But now wherever the high growth, high P ratio, overvaluation stocks that are being sold into, so naturally Indian markets will also be sold into, and luckily domestic institutions have good muscle power to make sure that the fall or rise is gradual, not a knee-jerk reaction. Looking at the open interest and left, right and center, people have sold only call option. There was hardly any put writing. And look at the put call ratio, it stands at 0.67 for the coming week expiry. So 0.67 means like more calls have been written compared to the puts. That is actually in stock market, although I say we are bearish, but consensus is always dangerous. When everybody become bearish and everybody close their eyes and sell call option, that's when, when a small buy by a domestic institution can push the market very high and these people lose the money. Anyway, so right now we cannot say anything. We have to wait for the mother market to close today. So rest of the things we will discuss on Sunday during Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this podcast. And due to some marriage function, so I was away from Chennai, so that's why podcast. I think from tomorrow we will resume our normal video. Thank you for listening.